Hey homeowners, this is Bianca for MF Home TV. There is no holiday like Christmas, right? And it is indeed fast approaching. Bare months pa lang, we already transform our homes for the Holy Spirit. And the malls are already playing those lovely Jose Marie Chan songs that we absolutely love so much. Tayo kasi mga Pilipino, advanced tayo mag-isip. Pero dito sa Mandawi Foam, mas advanced pa kami dahil August pa lang. We already have Christmas decors for homeowners like you so that you can beat the holiday shopping rush. And who doesn't want a home that feels like Christmas, right? So to help you prepare for that special day, here are ways to make your home feel a lot more like Christmas. Ho 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 ho! Ho 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 ho! The first and probably the most obvious is a Christmas tree. I mean, is it even Christmas without a Christmas tree? Where would Santa put your gifts, right? Get a Christmas tree that fits in your home without it sticking like a sore thumb. It shouldn't be too big that it takes up the whole space. And it shouldn't be too small that it unbalances the room. And what's a Christmas tree without Christmas lights? They are probably the most popular Christmas decor in the world. Christmas lights add some twinkle to your home, especially if they're installed inside. Other than wrapping them around your Christmas tree, you could line them up with your windows or even your stairs. You can be as creative as you want with your Christmas lights to give your home some of that Christmassy sparkle. Decorate your door with a festive Christmas wreath or place wreaths on blank walls for additional Christmas decor. Lastly, replace your home decors with Christmas-themed ones. The Belen or the Nativity scene. Change also your throw pillows to have a more festive color or print. It can either be red or silver, gold, or green. am so ready for Christmas! Sabi nga ni Santa Claus sa akin, dahil ready na kami, baka mapaaga ang dalaw niya dito. Kulang na lang dito is family, friends, presents, and of course, Noche Buena. I really want to wish you guys an advanced Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And please remember that Christmas should not just be in the air or in our homes, but most importantly, it should be in our hearts. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and hit that bell icon below. This is Bianca for MF Home TV, inspiring your homes.
Here is the comment of the week.
Congratulations to last week's winner. Here's this week's prize.